name's Natalie and I am doing the KT. I just left my car. You can see the trailhead behind me. It rained all day yesterday, so it's a pretty muddy trail, but it's really nice. And today's Easter. Easter 2019. Oh, the colors. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this hike. Today's gonna be a mixture of trail running and hiking. I have the Kentucky Derby Marathon next Saturday, so I don't wanna kill myself, but I do wanna get some miles in. Looks like they are building a bridge. That'll be nice. Looks like we're about to go over the dam. So, I'm walking on the dam and it's pretty cloudy, but it's really cool because there are birds just flying everywhere. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or not, but it's pretty bizarre hiking this in a cloud. Made it past the dam and now we're back on a trail. Friend. These are so cool looking. They look like little zigzags all the way to the distance. This looks like a fun patch. So there are a lot of side trails on here, but don't worry, the KT is well marked. To a junction, and I'm glad I go straight because it's just a muddy mess down there. I had to take a break to take the jacket off. Whew. It's pretty warm now, so I figured since I'm just past 2 miles, I might as well refuel a little. So the sun is creeping out. Pretty awesome. I'd just like to take a second and thank the trail angels who maintain this trail. Obviously it's a lot of work, so thank you so much. Another junction. Well, that's comforting. At least they have that service here. So for those curious, I started at the green dot and I'm in the blue dot. I'm going straight up, but this is so cool. The trail is a lake. If you come now, don't expect dry feet. Woo! I'm doing well. How are y'all doing? Well, guess I'm taking a friend. The sun is out. So that is the trail, but there's an alternate trail right here. It's quite nice. The trail is full of these little suckers. So I think two big turkeys just like flew out and created a ruckus. But about to go up. I came from way down there. Going up. So I'm hiking along the ridgeline here, and there's some views trying to creep in and out. Having a little snack. Now there's not even a cloud in the sky. Alright, so I came from way up there and I am switchbacking down. Alright, so the trail is gone. Just to show you how steep this is. Just reached the bottom of the valley and now it's time to climb up it. There's the trail. Climbed up there and came to a road. I just flicked a tick off of me. I'm gonna be doing the tick check tonight. Tick check tonight. So this morning, this was all foggy. I didn't even know there was a lake back there. I mean, I did, but you couldn't see it. And I'm back.